Welcome to Germany, a land of rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. From medieval castles to modern skylines, Germany's cities offer an unforgettable travel experience. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through 10 incredible cities you must visit. Buckle up for a ride filled with adventure, hidden gems, and breathtaking moments. Number 1. Berlin. First up, the capital, Berlin. A city that has risen from the ashes of history to become one of the most dynamic cities in Europe. Explore the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity, or take a walk along the remnants of the Berlin Wall. From world-class museums to a thriving underground art scene, Berlin is a melting pot of culture and history. You can feel the pulse of freedom in every corner. Number 2. Munich. Next, we travel to Munich, where tradition meets luxury. Known for its Oktoberfest, Munich is also home to the stunning Marienplatz and just a short trip away, the Neuschwanstein Castle, which looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Whether you're enjoying a Bavarian beer in a beer garden or exploring centuries-old palaces, Munich will leave you spellbound. Number 3. Hamburg. Now, let's head to the port city of Hamburg. Famous for its magnificent harbor and the futuristic Elbphilharmonie concert hall, Hamburg is a city of contrasts. Stroll through the historic Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or enjoy the lively nightlife along the Reeperbahn. This city by the water will captivate you with its modern charm and maritime spirit. Number 4. Cologne. In Cologne, you'll find one of the most impressive Gothic structures in the world, the Cologne Cathedral. Standing tall along the Rhine River, this city offers not only breathtaking views, but also a lively art and culinary scene. Take a boat cruise on the Rhine or enjoy a Kolsch beer with locals. Cologne is all about enjoying life. Number 5. Frankfurt. Welcome to Frankfurt, Germany's financial powerhouse with a striking skyline. But don't let the modernity fool you. Nestled among the skyscrapers are charming historical sites like Römer Square. Explore the mix of old and new as you wander through this bustling city, or head up the main tower for jaw-dropping panoramic views. Number 6. Dresden. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning beauty of Dresden. Often called the *** Florence on the Elbe ***, this city is famous for its Baroque architecture. Visit the Frauenkirche, a symbol of resilience, and the Grand Zwinger Palace, where art and history come alive. Dresden is a visual masterpiece that you won't want to miss. Number 7. Leipzig. Leipzig is the city of creativity. Known for its St. Thomas Church, where Bach once worked, this city has a thriving art scene that's alive with energy. Wander through the trendy Plagwitz district, where old industrial buildings are transformed into art spaces, or experience Leipzig's music and cultural festivals. It's a city that will surprise you at every turn. Number 8. Nuremberg. Step into history in Nuremberg. Famous for its role in World War II, today it's a city that proudly showcases its medieval roots. Explore the Nuremberg Castle and wander through the charming old town with its half-timbered houses and cobblestone streets. It's a perfect blend of history, culture, and tradition. Number 9. Stuttgart. In the heart of southern Germany lies Stuttgart, the home of innovation and elegance. Car enthusiasts will love the Mercedes-Benz Museum, but there's more to this city than just automobiles. With lush vineyards surrounding the city and a thriving culinary scene, Stuttgart offers a taste of both luxury and nature. Number 10. Heidelberg. Finally, we arrive in Heidelberg, a city that seems to be frozen in time. Explore the romantic Heidelberg Castle perched high above the city, or take a stroll across the old bridge for picturesque views. Heidelberg is a haven for lovers of history and natural beauty. Germany's cities are waiting to be explored. Whether you're looking for history, art, nature, or modern marvels, these 10 incredible cities will offer you experiences of a lifetime. So, which one will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic travel adventures.